This is WFYI News Now. It's July 31st, and I'm Abriana Herron. On today's show, a Senate report raises concerns over the relationship between telehealth companies and drug manufacturers Eli Lilly and Pfizer. 2 IU School of Medicine researchers received top awards. And a groundbreaking for a new subsidized apartment building that will offer affordable housing to Indianapolis families.
We can build upon this success and let this project be a model and springboard that encourages the city of Indianapolis to see a vision of what's possible.
Those stories coming up, but first. A new charitable pharmacy project from Purdue University and Gleaners Food Bank will soon open to the public. The pharmacy will offer free prescriptions, some medical devices, and health management services for low-income people. The pharmacy will be located in Gleaners' South Side facility. The idea for the pharmacy was created after a 2022 survey conducted by Gleaners showed that medication affordability and access were the top concerns of the community with regard to health care. People can start picking up prescriptions and connect with services starting this fall when the pharmacy is slated to open. A recent Senate report raises concerns about growing relationships between telehealth companies and drug manufacturers Eli Lilly and Pfizer. Ben Thorpe reports lawmakers warn the arrangement may lead to conflicts of interest, subpar patient care, and increases in federal health care spending.
Eli Lilly and Pfizer in the past year have launched platforms that connect patients directly with third-party telemedicine providers they partnered with. Lawmakers warn this may incentivize doctors to overprescribe drugs that the companies make. Both Eli Lilly and Pfizer have made big payments for contracts with the third-party telehealth providers, though they emphasize these are not bonuses for prescriptions and aren't affected by prescription volumes. The Senate report also points to a few instances where Eli Lilly made payments to individual healthcare providers who work on those platforms. A spokesperson for Eli Lilly said in a statement that the Senate report, quote, mischaracterizes Lilly's intent in offering patient-focused resources. They did not comment on the payments to individual providers. Pfizer did not respond to our request for comment. I'm Ben Thorpe.
2 Indiana University School of Medicine researchers received top awards at the Alzheimer's Association's annual international conference in Toronto this month. Bruce Lamb was honored for his advancements in Alzheimer's science, and Donna Wilcock received an award for her service to the global network of Alzheimer's professionals. Both researchers established a key group within the Alzheimer's Global Network almost a decade ago. It now has hundreds of members. A press release by IU says the awards highlight their dedication to advancing the field through their leadership. And for our final story today, a new subsidized apartment building at 29th Street and Central Avenue will offer 57 units of affordable housing to Indianapolis families. Dylan Pierce-McCoy brings us to the Mapleton-Fall neighborhood, where local leaders broke ground on a project more than a decade in the making.
Well, perseverance pays off.
Dozens of community members gathered at Broadway United Methodist Church to celebrate the apartment complex, which is expected to open in late 2026. The project took 14 years of planning and work from supporters in the public and private sectors. Pastor Aaron Hobbs called on city leaders to prioritize affordable options for people without housing and the working poor.
We can build upon this success and let this project be a model and springboard that encourages the city of Indianapolis to see a vision of what's possible.
The building will have apartments for low and moderate income families. It'll include 11 units of supportive housing with on-site services from the Raphael Health Center. I'm Dylan Pierce-McCoy.
That's all for today's episode of WFYI News Now. Our podcast is produced by Drew Daudelin and Zach Bundy, with support from the news team at WFYI and public media journalists across the state. Our news director is Sarah Neal-Estes. Kendall Antron produced our music. And I'm your host, Abriana Herron. If you like today's episode, remember to subscribe and share, and follow WFYI on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube to check in on our newsroom throughout the day. Thanks for listening. We'll be back tomorrow.